Okay everyone, here we have an unboxing video. I haven't made one of these before and I have really shit scissors. Right, just pretend you didn't see that with the scissors. Here we are going to go with the knife. There we go, much better. And what have we got here? Ooh. This is a sharp 901 IC. Very nice. So here we go. This is a Docomo phone, first generation mobile wallet, which you can see here, the Felica symbol. 2 megapixels, I believe this is from 2005. Yeah, let's check what's under the battery. When was this phone made? Pretty sure it's 2005. What does it say? Where's the date? 2005, there we go, 2005 June. Yes! Well, I shall do some pickies and videos on that shortly. Thanks for tuning in, bye!